Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up an e-commerce store on WhatsApp. Now, you will agree with me that WhatsApp is a very important tool when it comes to online marketing. If you are into any kind of sales online, you're selling anything online, be it physical product or digital product, the WhatsApp application is a very important tool that most people are not even tapping into yet. And today I'm going to be showing you one more thing that you can do with your WhatsApp, an e-commerce store. And now this is quite different from the WhatsApp business e-commerce store. All right, this one we're going to be working with another application, all right, that actually works well with WhatsApp. And now, if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Chike Justice Onyekachukwu. I'm the CEO and Director of Training for Mindware Consulting Limited. And this is my official YouTube channel where I teach skills, all right, digital skills that can help you advance your career and grow your business and help you make more money on the online space. And if you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, I'd like you to kindly subscribe to this channel, all right, so that you have access to my other videos I've done on various digital skills. And I also like you to, if you have found value with this video, I'd like you to hit the like button, okay, so that you'll be first to be notified when I post a new video. And also turn on the notification bell. Okay, so with all that said, let's jump into the tutorial proper. Now, like I said, if you're into e-commerce, you're selling anything online, physical or digital products, you are supposed to have an e-commerce store. An e-commerce store is similar to a physical shop, all right, where you place your products and then buyers come to look at your products and place their order and make their payments. So it's the same thing online. Now there are several thousands of e-commerce applications out there, but this one I have found is just so awesome, and it works well with WhatsApp. Okay, and I'm talking about no other application than this particular one, Vpar. Now this Vpar app was formerly called WhatsHash. Now the name has been changed to Vpar. Now it's very good, guys, very good, and that's why I'm introducing it to you. So what are the features of this app, Vpar? Now the features are in three folds. The first one, it can be used as a store, an e-commerce store. Secondly, it can be used as a CRM tool. Thirdly, it can also be used as a tool for doing posts. Okay, now in this video I'm going to be focusing on the first use for it. All right, it actually has so many use, so I'm going to be focusing on the first one, which is as an e-commerce store. All right, so using it as an e-commerce store, there is quite a whole lot that you can do with this application called Vpar. Like I said, you can place your products there. All right, whether it's physical products, maybe you are into fashion, all right, you're into fashion accessories, maybe bags, shoes, wristwatches, or you're into beauty products, cosmetics, hair products and the likes, or maybe you're into the food niche, all right, you're into restaurants, you do home delivery. So whatever it is that you're doing, you can actually place your products, all right, on this e-commerce store. okay, and your customers can look at the product, come visit your store, look at the products, place their orders, and actually add to carts. All right, they can add it to their carts and then make payments using various secured payment platforms, and there are quite a number of them. You have PayPal there, you have Paystack, you have Flutterwave, all right, and can even collect your payments in Naira. All right, you have platforms that can collect your payment in Naira, just like the Paystack and the Flutterwave. And then if peradventure the person doesn't want to pay immediately, there is option for pay later. The person can actually add it to carts, all right, and then you get notified, okay, and follow the person up, and then the person can actually pay at his or her own convenience. All right, and then also another important use for this app as an e-commerce store is that you can track orders. All right, you can track the orders for your customers to know exactly where they are, and you'll be receiving this information on your WhatsApp. And apart from that, you can collect information from your customers, their name, phone number, address, email, as many information as you want. You can set it and collect your information during their checkout. And then apart from that, guys, you can also create sales funnels. I'm telling you, sales funnels on this application. This application is just so much, a whole lot that you can do with it. And to shock you, ladies and gentlemen, the application is free, completely free. So a whole lot of good stuff that you can do with this Vipa app. And like I said, it can also be used as a CRM tool and also for doing polls. So but in this video, we're going to be focusing mostly on the use of it as an e-commerce store. Okay, so having introduced the Vipa application, we'll just go right now into how you can get it, how you can install it, and how you can actually set it up and start using it to drive sales, all right, through your WhatsApp, and then scale your business and make more money. So like I said, you have to stick around to the end of this video, because at the end I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to scale your business. Okay, so let's jump in right now. So the first thing you need to do is come to your Google Play Store. All right, if you're using the Android mobile phone. When you come to the Google Play Store, all you have to do is just type the name Vepar, Vepar, Vepar. Alright, so it brings you straight up to the app, and you can see install here. Alright, so what you do is go ahead and click on install. Great, so once it's done installing, you see this open button. All right, then you can click on open. Okay, good. So create an account, have your email here, your password. That's if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, it will ask you don't have an account, create account. So you just click here, create account. So it's bringing up my accounts for me to choose the particular one I want to use. So I'm going to use that. So what you want to do is to put your business name right here. Okay, so we already have an imaginary brand that we have created. All right, I use that brand. It's a fashion brand, so I'm going to be using it as a demonstration, and the name is Zaramani Wears. Zaramani Wears. All right, so I put my email there, and then we choose a password. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click on create account. Boom. Okay, so here we are. Now it brings you to this page where it says let's set up your business. So this is where you put your business name. So we'll put our business name, our imaginary business, Zara Money Wears. And then right here it says about your business. So you give a brief description about the business you are into. Alright, I'll just put something here to describe the business. Company dedicated to addressing book success. Okay, so we are a fashion company dedicated to dressing you up for success and with the confidence to make it a reality. Alright, so once you're done with your about, you move on. Here it says country. So it has already selected the country I'm in, which is Nigeria. That's where I'm from. Alright, and the currency has already been selected. So when you filled all that, you come here and click continue. Okay, so it brings us to this point. It says almost done. So at this particular place, you have to add your cover photo. Add your cover photo right here, and then your logo. Okay, so here it says we've sent you an email to verify your account. If you have not received it, tap present. So the first thing we need to do before we go ahead is to actually verify our email. Okay, so you go to your email and verify. And if you check your mail, you didn't get it, you just come here and click resend. Alright, so the email has come in. So here it says Vipa Zara Money Wears. Thank you for creating a Vipa account. Activate my account. So we click on activate my account. So once we activate our account, we'll go back. Okay, so now it says help us to know you better. What feature do you intend to use most? It says choose as many as you like. So like I said, we are particularly interested in the store, all right, but then we can also add the CRM as well. All right, so we choose those two, store, CRM, and then click on continue. And it says help us to know you better. Choose any one. It wants to know the number of employees or the number of people you have in your business. The first one says I'm a one-man army. I'm a one-man army. Startup micro company, 1 to 10 employees, 1 to 50 employees, 50 to 250 employees, 250 plus employees. So you choose on the pending. All right, so let's just choose this one, 1 to 10 employees, and continue. It comes here, choose your business category. So your category is where the industry that your business is in. All right, for example, Zara Money, we're a fashion is a fashion brand. All right, so look for that. Clothing, garments, I think it belongs to the clothing and garments. All right, which is this particular one. So click on that. So you choose the one, the industry or the category that your business is in. For me, for our imaginary brand, we'll choose clothing and garments because it's a fashion brand. You click that, you come here and click finish. Okay, so it brings us to our back office. As you can see here, this is our back office. Okay, and now you can see the features that we have actually chosen. You see the store. All right, these are all the items for the store, and these are all the items or the settings for the CRM that we have chosen. All right, so let's get started. Now this is our dashboard. As you can see, everything is 0, 0, 0. Total order 0, net revenue 0. They're all 0 because it's a new store. There's been no transaction on it yet. All right, so as you carry out transactions on your store, it will be appearing here on your dashboard. Okay, so there's nothing we can do about that one for now. So the next thing is orders. All right, let's check out what is there. It says no orders yet. So the same thing, you cannot do anything about that for now until people start ordering for your product. So next is products. So let's see how we can upload our products onto our store. All right, so you say you don't have any products categories here. Let's add a category. Okay, so before we add our products, I think the first thing we need to do is to add the product categories, which is this. All right, so depending on the business you are in, you can have a group of products inside a particular category. All right, for example, I could have shoes as a particular category, and then when it comes into that shoe category, I can now have different types of shoes and different colors and different sizes. All right, same goes with bags. I can have bags as a category of products, and then in that category I now have different brands of bags, sizes and colors, just like that. All right, so for example, if it's a restaurant e-commerce store you're setting up, you could have a category like swallow. All right, and then in that particular category you now have maybe fufu, you now have gari, you now have semo as products inside that category. I don't know if you're getting me now. And then another category could be maybe breakfast, and then under breakfast you can now have bread and tea. You can now have a scotch egg, what have you. All right, you can also have another category as lunch, another category as dinner, and then within each categories you now have products. So that's what this category talks about. So let's add various categories. So I'm going to have the first category shoes. Active, create. Do that, you have create right here. All right, so I have my shoe category. Then let me add another category, bags, and then ensure that the active is on. All right, then when you've created that, you come create, click on create. All right, so we have our categories set. All right, let's just use these two for just this demonstration, but you can put as many as possible in your own store. All right, so let's now come into products and then put our various products. So you can see it now. Under the products, we have different categories. We have the bag category, all right, and then we also have the shoes category. Okay, so this one now that is highlighted is the bag category. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add different products, all right, in this category. But if it's a digital product you are dealing on, maybe ebook, maybe an online course. Okay, so this is the particular one you will choose. Okay, so that leaves us with these two options here. So we choose the variable and click on it. Okay, so coming right here, you now have different fields to fill. So the first one is the name. So we're gonna give our product a name. So let's just say Zara Bag 1, just an imaginary name, Zara Bag 1. Okay, so that's the name of our first product under the bag category. And you already have the category there, bag. And then regular price. Regular price is a price the normal price that you charge. Okay, so let's say the normal price for the Zara Bag 1 is 25,000. And then you come here, selling price. You can now put the discounted price. All right, the discounted price. Maybe the discounted price could be like 17,000. All right, so on the dashboard, you're going to see that this 25,000 naira, it will be struck out just like this. Okay, and then leaving this 17,000 visible. All right, it helps your customers know that they are getting whatever they are getting at a discounted price, which encourages them to buy. And then of course you're going to see the percentage discount here. So you can see, well, the normal regular price is 25,000, but now you're getting it for 17,000, which is a discount of 32%. Okay, so that makes sense. So coming right here, the next thing you do is to give a description of your product. So we can just put something, make sure it's something very catchy, very convincing, and very punchy. So when you're done, click on create. So we have our categories and we have our products. All right, now you can add as many as possible, like I said, but for the sake of this demonstration video, I don't want it to be too long, so we'll just leave it there. Now let's go to our front office and see how it looks. Our front store, we have our products here already set. You can see Zara shoe 1, Zara shoe 2, Zara bag 1, Zara bag 2. So this is how our front storefront looks like. You can see the selling price, the regular price. You can see it's struck out, and then beside it there you see the percentage discount, and then you see add to cart there if you want to add it to cart. And then up here you can see we have our categories, various categories here. You see the bag category. As you click on it, you see it's only the bags that are showing here. There are various payment platforms here. We have Stripe right here. We have a pay later. Pay later is maybe if the person doesn't want to pay immediately, okay, the person can click on pay later, but the person can go ahead and place his or her order. All right, we have Razor Pay, we have Paystack, we have Flutterwave, we have PayPal, Paytm, we have Mitrans, Poly, quite a whole number of payment platforms here, guys. That's why I said this app rocks. Okay, so let's see the pay later. It's already enabled, so just see settings. So it's enabled, display name, pay later, place order quickly, pay at your convenience. So you can just click on the save. And then for Paystack, if you want to configure Paystack, you see it's not configured, and then even Flutterwave, they are not configured. So you just have to go to paystack.com and then create an account there, and then you're going to have to come here and place in your when you enable it here, you're going to place in these keys right here. this key right here and this key right here, publishable key and secret key. Okay, you will copy this webhook from here and go and put it in your Paystack account. All right, and then copy this publishable key, all right, from your Paystack account and place here, and also this your secret key, you copy it from your settings in your Paystack account and put it here. All right, and then when you are done, you can now save it. Once you save it, you see that it is configured. Okay, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, all right, but something you can just easily do. Just go to paystack.com, create an account, and then get those details and put here, and then get the one from here and put there, and then just click on save and you're good to go. All right, so that's just all about the payment. We've set up everything here. So the other one is the CRM. So like I said, the main purpose of this video is to show us how to use it as a store. But if you want to use it for a CRM as well, you can look through all these various features you have right here. They're very, very useful. Even a sales funnel, you can use it for a funnel right here. You can sell tickets, and then also have your ticket status set there. All right, so right here, if you want to share it, maybe you want to share it on your social media platform, all right, you can use this share button right here. So if you click on share, it's just going to go over, bring up this stuff. You say hello, you can start shopping at our online store, but you can edit this thing by coming here that it says edit share message. Once you click on it, you can edit what it will say. All right, what you have here, say hello, you can start shopping at our online store, please visit. So you can click on this, bring this down, bring this down, bring this down. So you can type, you put your own words, but I think I'm okay with this. All right, so when you're done, you click on save. So once you are sharing it to your WhatsApp, that's what you're gonna see. But let me just see, let's just see it. Click on share, and let's click on WhatsApp. All right, so right here as our WhatsApp, so you just choose where you want to send it to. Okay, then boom, so look at what it has right there. All right, and you can now send. So you can see the message right there. So if you click on this link right now, to take you to your front store when the person clicks on the link. So let's see. So that's it. So you can go ahead and use this. It's a very, very good one. All right, like I said, if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Okay, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel so that you can have access to our videos, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the next to be notified when next I post a new video. All right, so peace out.